Welcome back to our survival tips and tricks series. Today we're diving into the #1 knot you should know for survival, the double figure of 8 knot. This versatile knot is vital for various situations, from pitching camp to rescue missions or even rock climbing. So let's get started. Tying the double figure 8 knot is surprisingly simple, and you can use this knot on any rope, cord or line. First, create a figure 8. Start by giving yourself plenty of rope on the working end. I measure this by using my arm and chest for length. Grab a bight in the rope and twist a loop once fully around the rope, then pass the working end through the loop. Now you'll have a figure 8. Next, pass your working end around or through what you are securing the rope to. Make sure the figure 8 doesn't pass through too. Now, feed the working end back through the 8 following its path, like so. Pull tight and you're done. And there you have it, the double figure of 8 knot. This knot won't come undone, and the more force you put on it, the tighter it gets. This knot is one of your ultimate survival tools, offering both security and versatility. That's all from me today. Be prepared and stay safe out there, guys.